New style 4-pin WPL connector. It actually only has just a link lead in the middle, so it could just be cut off and have a 2-pin put on without an issue. Or alternatively, you can make an adapter lead. So, 2-pin battery. Just need inner and outer of the 4-pin. And if I can find the power switch. There we go. Power switch. Four pin into a 2-pin. And you can get the connectors. 2-pin, 3-pin, 4-pin, 5-pin. Kits are cheap as anything on Amazon. Pair of crimps. And then the other style GSM connector, or GST connector. So it's possible to go from 2-pin battery to a 4-pin connector, or a 4-pin connector to a 2-pin battery, or 4-pin battery to a 2-pin.